Imagine waking up one morning, looking in the mirror, and wondering why losing weight feels so difficult. You've tried dieting, you've exercised, you've even skipped meals, yet the number on the scale barely changes. Why? The truth is that weight loss is surrounded by myths, marketing, and misinformation. Some people blame carbohydrates, others blame fat, some believe expensive supplements are the answer. But what if the real explanation is much simpler, and backed by science? Today, we're going to explore how the human body actually loses fat, why so many diets fail, and what research tells us about achieving healthy, sustainable weight loss. Let's begin. Chapter 1: What is body fat? Your body is constantly using energy. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, every movement. To keep you alive, your body needs fuel. That fuel comes from food. When you eat more energy than your body needs, the excess doesn't simply disappear. Instead, it is stored. Most of it is stored as body fat. Think of fat as your body's energy savings account. Thousands of years ago, this system helped humans survive periods of food scarcity. Today, food is available almost everywhere, but our bodies still store excess energy the same way. Fat itself is not your enemy. Your body needs fat to protect organs, regulate hormones, absorb certain vitamins, and provide energy during times when food is unavailable. The problem begins when fat storage continues for months or years without enough energy being used. Chapter 2: Understanding calories. A calorie is simply a measurement of energy. Everything you eat contains calories. Your body spends calories every single second, even while sleeping. This daily energy use includes keeping your heart beating, maintaining body temperature, repairing cells, digesting food, and supporting brain function. If you consistently eat more calories than you burn, your body stores the extra energy as fat. If you consistently burn more calories than you consume, your body starts using stored fat to make up the difference. This is called a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit is the foundation of weight loss. However, this doesn't mean starving yourself. Extreme diets may produce quick results, but they are often difficult to maintain and can increase the risk of regaining weight later. The goal should always be creating a realistic calorie deficit that you can maintain over time. Chapter 3: Why diet matters more than most people think. Exercise is incredibly important for overall health. It strengthens your heart, improves mood, builds muscle, and increases fitness. But many people overestimate how many calories exercise actually burns. A single fast food meal can contain well over 1,000 calories. Burning that amount of energy through exercise may take several hours. This doesn't mean exercise is unimportant. Instead, it shows why nutrition plays such a major role in body weight. Combining healthy eating with regular physical activity is usually far more effective than relying on exercise alone. Chapter 4: The importance of protein and fiber. Not all foods affect your body in the same way. Protein is especially valuable during weight loss. It helps preserve muscle while losing fat. It also keeps you feeling full for longer. Foods such as eggs, fish, chicken, beans, lentils, Greek yogurt, and tofu are excellent protein sources. Fiber is equally important. Vegetables, fruit, whole grains, beans. These foods slow digestion and help reduce hunger. By choosing foods that keep you satisfied, maintaining a calorie deficit becomes much easier. Chapter 5: Common weight loss myths. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. First, carbohydrates are not automatically responsible for weight gain. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can absolutely fit into a healthy eating pattern. Second, sweating does not mean you're burning fat. Sweat is simply your body's cooling system. Most weight loss through sweating is water and returns after rehydration. Third, spot reduction is a myth. Doing hundreds of abdominal exercises won't specifically burn belly fat. Fat loss occurs throughout the body according to genetics and biology. Finally, there are no miracle foods or supplements that magically melt fat. Consistent healthy habits remain the most reliable strategy. Conclusion: healthy weight loss isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Small choices repeated every day have a much greater impact than short periods of extreme dieting. Focus on eating balanced meals. Include enough protein and fiber. Stay physically active. Sleep well, manage stress, and most importantly, be patient. Real progress takes time. Your body doesn't change overnight. But every healthy decision moves you one step closer to your goal. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more science-based content that separates facts from fiction. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.